A video taken inside the Zhengzhou subway in China is grabbing people's attention. Many netizens are asking what was happening.
This video has been circulating online since Tuesday. Several flood victims were seen lying on the ground, showing no signs of life. A person with a medical gown can be spotted, and on the ground there was a medical box and a pair of scissors. The victims had their eyes covered with medical gauze. A top member of the Republican Party says he checked with medical professionals in the U.S. on reviving drowning victims, and they all said that revival measures like CPR do not cause bleeding.
Apart from the above footage with the man in white gown, the flood victims did not seem to bleed. Some netizens are questioning if the doctor was extracting the corneas from the corpses. Others said it's not confirmed, and the blood could have come from suffocation. Corneas can be transplanted to patients with certain eye diseases, and organ harvesting has been a lucrative business under the CCP for decades. The Epoch Times could not verify these speculations. Zhengzhou officials say that the death toll across Henan province has reached over 50. But one local who survived the submerged subway train says he expects a far higher number. "We did not panic at first," Wang said, using a pseudonym. "But later there was not enough air, and many people could not breathe. Then we all became nervous." Wang described the situation when the water was up to his chest and the electricity went out. "I finally made it and came out alive, but it's so sad that a dozen people couldn't make it," said Wang, who eventually got out at 10 p.m. after being stuck in a tunnel for about 5 hours. While officials blamed the quote, "once in a thousand years," rain for the devastation, Zhengzhou residents told the Epoch Times they believed that discharged waters from dams and reservoirs have made the flooding worse. Historical data also contradicted the officials' claim. In 1975, official record shows that Zhengzhou had a bigger flood when the 3-day rainfall was about 1,600 millimeters. During this current flood, the 3-day rainfall was about 600 millimeters, not reaching half of what happened 45 years ago. This is not to mention the $8 billion that were spent in 2018 to build flood prevention system that is supposed to sustain a 1 in 200 years flood. Despite what happened, some finger pointings are already at work, with some saying that it was the US or Taiwan who used weather-changing weapons against China.